When writers write, they always are writing for an audience. Um, the audience is the people who are going to read your writing. Just like if you were at a show and you're sitting there listening or watching the show, you're the audience. Well, if you're a writer, whoever is reading the writing is your audience. And so anytime you write something, you have to consider who the audience is. You might just be writing to yourself. Say you're keeping a journal or a diary, and the audience would be you. You don't plan to share that with anyone else. It's just for you. Or maybe you're writing a reminder note. You're writing to yourself. That's your audience. Every week, the school sends out a newsletter. The audience of the newsletter are parents. A thank you card that you write, the audience would be the person to whom you're writing or the person that you're thanking. Jokes in a joke book are written for people who want to laugh, and a nonfiction book about birds or anything is written for those people who want to learn more about birds. So every time you write, you should consider who your audience is. So what I'd like you to do for your writing assignment today is just consider, who are you writing for? Think about different people that might be reading your writing. Think about a type of writing you're doing. Are you persuading? Are you informing? Are you entertaining? And how the audience might change depending on the type of writing that you're doing. You're just going to talk about that today. You don't have to actually write down anything. I've shown you a poster here because your audience could maybe be your parents. Your audience could be a group of friends. Or your audience could be your teacher or an adult. But when you write, there's always a different audience. So talk about what audience is and who you're writing for.